Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Iman Designing Valley, and I am a 11th student of Rehan School Online Academy. So today I'm here with another an amazing topic to share my review with you. And because I also watch amazing TED Talks and TEDx in our class, and our speaker name is Minha Tariq, and the topic is how to invest in yourself. And our speaker tell about their life story and experience how they work and in their childhood life how they start their own business. And today TEDx is very important and it's related to my passion, so I also love it. And let's start. And our speaker Minha Tariq tell about their life journey, and she said when 16 year ago when my mother pushed to me to the life and to the world, because she want I also explore a lot of things. So she said I think it's very enough for me. I have amazing job, I have a degree, and I also work on wedding dress Pinterest. I also prepared it. And she said my mother thought it's not enough for me. And she said I also work very hardly when I was chilled. And she said in at the age of 14 years old, when I was 14 years old, I also started my own business. And she said I don't have any idea about how to work on business and how you enhance your business very amazingly. But she said I also like to do business, and I also have a lot of ideas, but I also want to work on it. And after that she said my family also have a business, but I don't have any contact with my family business. And after that she was telling about I don't have any idea about YouTube automations or like online business. And after that she was telling about I have a lot of ideas, but I don't have any idea how we use it. And she said when I was 7 year old, I also made lemonade juice through my mom lemons and also sell to my mother. That's very amazing, and that's very important message for us. And after that, she was telling about I also made a theater play or sorry, I also organized theater play and sales a ticket to my family, and also watch amazing show with my family like this. And after that she was telling about when I was 8 year old, I also make beach bracelet and sales to neighbor aunties. And that's very amazing moment. And she was telling about their life journey, how they do business and how they have a lot of ideas. Everybody have ideas, but we can't work on it. And at the age of 7 to 10, she said when summer vacations comes and my cousins came to our house, and I also made a labor force and work on the area of our you know home. And I also work on it and buy money to and she said I also make a money like this. That's very amazing idea. And after that she said I also like and I also want to become a designer, fashion designer, and I also create my own design through my own wardrobe. And that is the idea my mother don't like, because I also waste a lot of clothes for my own wardrobe. And after that she said she said I also like to make a song and make a singer. And she said I also create my own songs. And after that I also work on TV channel. And I'm in the age of 10, I'm a childhood star. She says I think that's enough for me and for my life, because I'm a very famous person. But I don't have any idea about entrepreneurship and about what is the meaning of pricing or marketing. I don't any idea. And she said at the age of 14 I also create my own business, Hina Mehndi Arting. That's very famous Mehndi art. Like Hina art is very famous, and I think in Pakistan is very famous. So she said I also start my own business, and and I also create it. And now I have completed my 10 year on it, on my business. And she said I also work on it, but I don't have any idea about how we create and how we enhance it. But I also like to do. And because she said in the age of when you are young and when you are child, you have a lot of ideas, but you can't have any idea how to enhance and how to work on it. But you can try. Maybe you have bad experience, maybe you have a good experience, but you try it. Maybe they are very successful for you. And after that she was telling about when I was in university, or I also love to work when I was in college and university. I also start my own business like western clothing line with my friend, but I can't launch it. And after that she said I also work on event management in the parties in my university. And after that I also love photography and I also do it. And after that she said I also love in I also do work in my university like on corporate hosting. And I also play basketball. And I also learned how to create design like on shalwar kameez. I also love and like silai kadai. I also learn it. And she said when I was 24-year-old, then I have a lot of my experience in my own life. And she said I also face failure. That is very important for everybody, because when you have failure in your life, so you learn a lot of things from your failure. And she said at the age of 24 I also learned about failure, success, all the things. But that is very difficult for everybody. For men also face failure. And but she said I also work on it, and I realized that's not enough. And that's not bad failure, because I think failure, in my own words, failure is very important. You grow very amazingly, you learn a lot of things, and you have new idea. And after that she was telling about I have degree and I have a good job, but that's not, I don't like my job. And after that she said I have now it's the time of my like wedding. But she said I think it's enough for me. I also like experienced a lot of things, but my mother said no, that's not enough. And my mother emotional blackmailed me. And she also sent to me a Fulbright scholarship and after that in GRE class. And she also said outside with me. And I mean like she said my mother do a lot of things for me. And she also sent me in the class of GRE. And after that she said when I moved to my own country on Pakistan, I also start art startup or entrepreneurship, and help to the entrepreneurs. And I have a lot of energy, and I'm doing very very amazingly, because it's very enjoyable moment for me, and it's very new thing for me. And then I realize in investor, when you want to invest, you also have idea about finance or marketing or accounting. But she said I don't have any about idea about accounting or finance. But after that she said then I realize the thing I also want to learn is very important. Okay. And after that she was telling about she was said now I'm 30-year old, and I have a good job, not a job. I'm a founder of VC for not sorry, I'm not founder, I'm a uh, part of partner of VC founder. And I don't have any job. It's my partnership with my own VC founder. And she said I work with a VC founder, and my partner is very amazing. And VC founder is in Pakistan, who passionate and invest in people. They have good ideas. And she said I also work with these people very amazingly. And she said I also face imposter that in our society every woman face. And 70% women also face it. And of that she was telling about their life journey experience. So she said in my life I also learned things because she said I also work. And when I want to invest in my own ideas, and I have different ideas. I work on it. I also trust my own self. I also face failure. I have good. I also do. I done good thing, and I also create a lot of mistakes. But I also have a lot of experiment that I have done. And after that, she said I have a good support system like my husband and my mother. They also support me, and they also laughing in my own failure, but they also support me very amazingly. That is the reason I'm here, and I'm doing a good job. And I also do a lot of experiment and experience. And after that she was telling about how to made a good society. She said, in our society, people said, you why you can't do this, and why you can want to do this things, and it's not good for you. You also focus on your job, that is very important for you. So she said it's word hurts, it's very hurtly. So in the society, I want to make a good society, you can do it, that's very good for you. And after that, she was telling about three steps that's very important for everybody, they want to follow in their own life. She said, when I was a child or young at the age of 6 7, everybody have their own personality, and they want to work on it, their ideas. And after that, he was telling about you also work on your ideas, choose your idea, and plan it, and invest in your own self, and work on it. And after that, she was telling about you have choose your sponsor for your own self, you have like sponsor mean the person, they also support you and your all failure success, and they are your cheerleader, and they also cheer for you. And after that, she was telling about you also start after a year, you also work on it, and you prove to the world you can do it. And maybe your idea is different, but you can do it. And you also start your business online, offline, or doing online classes, that depend on you. And after that, she was telling about after 5 year, you realize it, you like after 5 year you have idea that you can do it. But in some people say I want to do a lot of things but I can't do it, that is the very bad thing you have experience in your own life. So this is our TEDx video review, and our speaker shared their life journey. And today TEDx is very amazing and important for me because it's related to my passion, and I also love to work on mehndi designing because I am a professional mehndi designer, and I also love it. Today TEDx video, and now I'm also start and work on my own business because at the age of our if our speaker do business at the age of 14, so I also do it. That is very inspired. Sorry, today TEDx also inspired me very amazingly. So yeah, and I think everybody have a lot of experience, and everybody have different ideas, a lot of ideas, but they don't have any idea to how to invest. But please make a lot of ideas to work on it, and you also learn a lot of things, do a lot of experiment, that's very important for you. So yeah, this is our TEDx video, and I hope you like it. So met tomorrow with another an amazing review. So take care everyone, and Allah Hafiz.